unable to fall asleep, turning and tossing, and not feeling rested the next day. Certain foods can help you to get a good quality sleep as they contain melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone which is produced by our body. It helps to regulate the circadian rhythm and help us to sleep well. Certain foods that can help you to get melatonin are: number 1, milk. A glass of warm milk an hour or so before going to bed can help you to fall asleep soon. Number 2, fish. Oily fish like salmon, mackerels and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which is an unsaturated fat. It takes care of your brain function and helps you to sleep well. Number 3, bananas. Bananas are again high in magnesium. Magnesium is a very essential ingredient and a nutrient which should be incorporated in our diet on a daily basis. It takes care of your heart health, your muscle growth, and helps you to sleep well. Number 4, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are also high in magnesium. A handful of pumpkin seeds are not only a good snack, but also a good way to sleep well. Number 5, calming teas. Teas like chamomile. They contain an ingredient called apigen, which helps you to calm and promote good sleep. Passion tea is also a good option, which helps you to calm and get you a good quality.